Welcome back. Well, a beauty across the area today. Temperatures topping out in the mid to upper 60s. Tomorrow, lower 70s, but clouds are on the way and rain won't be far behind. So let's take a look at that water vapor imagery as we're looking at our next weather maker. It's not much of a weather maker, but it's going to bring some rain to the area. Plenty of clouds Friday, Saturday, hopefully clearing out in time for Sunday. But this is going to get the subtropical jet stream going. Already seeing some high clouds in that western sky. As we look at the sun setting out in the west, should be a pretty sunset with those clouds in the western horizon this evening. So stay tuned for that. That occurs at, I think it's 5:56 for this evening. Here's the big picture across the U.S. Boy, lots of winter weather advisories from the Great Lakes all the way back to the Pacific Northwest and the West Coast. Winter storm warnings again for the Sierra Nevada range. They're going to pick up another 1 to 2 feet of snow. In fact, most of California is just about out of any drought situation. Unbelievable. Certainly good news, but that can change on a dime out in the west. More winter storm warnings as you get over to the Bitterroots region and Big Sky country of Montana. Expecting a couple of feet, 2 to 4 feet in the high elevations there. So still some big snows, but you go farther to the south, it's a little bit more spring-like and certainly quieter with high pressure and charge dominating over the southeast. But now that this ridge of high pressure has moved off to the east, our winds are turning more easterly. Meanwhile, the upper level winds are moving from the southwest to the northeast associated with that subtropical jet stream. And as we examine area-wide Doppler radars, it's nice to dust off the radars, but we do have some shower activity showing up on Power Doppler 3 just south of Southwest Pass, south of Marsh Island. This could clip southeastern St. Mary Parish, but the trend has this shower activity weakening. It's just a little bit of a disturbance out there. The rest of us pretty near zero rain chances through tomorrow. After that, they'll be going up as we head into Friday. So high pressure stays shuttled off to our east. We'll see those high clouds increasing. Temperatures tonight not as cool. Tomorrow, upper 60s, lower 70s. Tomorrow night, we'll hold it in the upper 50s to near 60. Maybe some patchy fog. And we're going to see some patchy rain moving across the area as we head into Friday afternoon. Mostly light, occasionally moderate, and not everybody sees rain. And then here comes a strong cold front overnight Friday night into Saturday morning. Breezy and colder weather will be with us. In fact, Saturday, we do not get out of the 40s. I don't think we get into the upper 30s for your low, but low to mid 40s throughout the day, and there's going to be a wind chill as well. Sun will return on Sunday. As for rainfall, here's the latest graph model output. Most of us see a quarter inch or less, maybe a few spots a little bit more than that, and other spots maybe just enough to wet the ground for a short period of time. So not much of a weather system moving in. Thereafter, it will be quiet. Temperatures tonight not as cool. Will favor temperatures some 5 to 10 degrees milder than last night. Low to mid 40s for the northern parishes, upper 40s to near 50 on the I-10 corridor, and pretty much the same across the coastal parishes. And then tomorrow we see that warm up into the upper 60s to lower 70s. We'll top out at about 71 degrees. Tomorrow night certainly milder, upper 50s to near 60. And then as we head into Friday afternoon, because of the clouds and some rain in the area, we're going to hold mostly in the middle 60s. So overnight tonight, it's a quiet night. Chilly, but not as cool as it has been. High clouds gradually moving in through the overnight hours. Nearly calm to light southeasterly winds later on tonight. And tomorrow, light winds as well. Not much of a wind out there. We'll call it partly sunny and mild early. High clouds, though, eventually thicken up as we head throughout the afternoon to a mostly cloudy day. And as we head into Friday, we got your rain chances up to 60%, maybe 70% for Friday night, 30% early Saturday, but it should be done with during the day. Chilly, mid-30s as we get into Sunday and Monday mornings, but look at those temperatures on the back end of the 10-day, almost approaching 80 degrees. So spring is not that far away. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.